question I have is that many people like to say at times that water is going to be the wars of the next century are going to be fought over water rather than oil.
Yeah.
And so I was just wondering what your thoughts are on that, if that's a realistic statement or if...
In fact, in the introductory chapter, we begin the book with this,
Yes.
saying that there was this whole doomsday prediction saying that the next world war would be on water and things. I think it was Kofi Annan,
One
who
of
was
the
the UN,
presidents of the
UN
World
Secretary
Bank.
General.
Okay.
He is the one who first made the statement, which I don't think it's going to be true. Okay, there is no world war going to be or next war is going to be one thing. There are political struggles and political issues, but in the Asian where Israel and Egypt and that whole area, West Asia.
Yes.
I think West Asia there have been geopolitics around water issues and everything. There have been things, but otherwise I don't think there have been any war on this and thing. But there have been war on oil basically, invasion on Iraq and other things. But this is going to be a serious issue. War. I mean, when we say that there is not going to be world war or there is no other type of major wars taking place on water, that does not mean that water is not going to be an area of conflict. It is going to be. So, whole lot of geopolitics is also being played around what is an important thing, whether it is India-Pakistan relationship or other type of thing. Water is always brought into the picture, or that becomes a contentious issue which impacts neighborly relations to some extent. That way, that may not lead to an armed conflict. And also that's a transnational level, but there are also conflicts of that type, at different layers and different type of things. So it's going to be a major issue of contestation conflict regionally, between nations or within nations, between different states in a federal setup, and within state also there are more developed and underdeveloped areas of everything. So it is going to be a reality which we have to live with. Okay, so how do you put in systems in place to engage with some of these issues? I think it's an important thing. So I wouldn't say that there will be a world war or any large-scale war around water, but it is going to be continued to be an area of conflict, definitely.
Yes.
In which, and it has a direct linkage with people and people's lives and livelihoods and other type of things, which is very much part of this conflict. So how each nation is going to address this issue is going to be part of the the type of governance systems each nation is going to have or has, and how national issues are being seen, how it is going to be shared, and things. And these conflicts will get more accentuated in countries like India, where there is a scarcity to some extent. Second, the type of industrial development path which we are taking to keep up this 9% or 8% development, the growth rate and type of thing, is going to create more people with no access to water, and sectors like industry is going to get more and more water technology. So the whole water concentration is going to be much more inequity is going to be there, and the type of water sector reform which is being now put in place in the different policies and different legal measures and other type of thing, which is also more and more into privatization type of mode of including privatization of water sources or entitlements and other type of thing, or water entitlement being seen more of a tradable commodity and other type of things. So all these directions which point out that water conflicts are going to be much more serious in the future.
Yes.
So how we deal with it both academically or even different civil society groups and type of things is important. It's not only a state issue. I mean, all of us need to be concerned about that kind of thing. So that's why forum, a lot of people do believe that we need to continue its work in one form or the other for some more time to continue to come. So that some of these issues can be in a considered manner, the manner